Know before you go to Iceland. Here are 6 things that are nice to know and be prepared for when you plan your trip to Iceland. Number 1. It's pricey. One of the best ways to save money is by cooking your own meals, but then you'll of course miss out on the local cuisine. Number 2. The best way to explore is to rent a car. Do so well in advance. Prices will only get more expensive the closer you get to your departure. Or you can book tours if you don't drive. Number 3. Pre-book accommodations, car rental and restaurants, especially if you're visiting during summer. Number 4. It's most likely colder than the climate you're used to. Pack layers. A beanie and gloves are essential and recommended to bring during summer as well. Number 5. Stay as long as possible. There's so much to see and do in Iceland. If you're able to squeeze in another day or 2, do it. Number 6. Different seasons open up for different activities and even areas of the country. Basically, if you want to see the northern lights, visit during winter. If you want to visit the highlands or more remote locations, visit during summer. If there's anything you'd like to know before you go to Iceland, please post it in the comments.